Hello, everyone. My name is James Burr, and I'm the Senior Regional Analyst for Europe, the Caucasus, and Central Asia. Just a quick situational update and analysis on what's shaping up to be a serious test of NATO cohesion. Over the night of September 9th and into the early hours of the 10th, Poland reported at least 19, possibly up to 23, unauthorized drone incursions from Belarusian territory. These occurred during a broader Russian aerial assault on Ukraine for the first time. A NATO country, Poland, engaged in a live fire response, intercepting around 8 drones with help from NATO quick reaction forces. Now, what makes this different is not just the scale, but the timing and complexity. The drone struck across a wide geography, some hundreds of kilometers from the Belarusian border, and even hit civilian area. Airports in Lublin, Rzeszów, and both Warsaw terminals were shut down temporarily, disrupting commercial and cargo flights. Poland called it a quote unquote act of aggression and invoked NATO's Article 4, which stops short of collective military action but initiates alliance-wide consultations. That alone is a strong signal. Meanwhile, Belarus and Russia are about to kick off Zapad 2025 military drills, which include simulated nuclear operations and missile deployments, so the timing here is not subtle. Looking ahead, we're seeing two likely paths. Either NATO holds firm and deters further incursions, or Russia, alternatively, continues to push the hybrid envelope with more drones, cyber attacks, and even ground provocations. This incident is clearly a probe, testing NATO's red lines without triggering a full-scale military response. From a corporate risk lens, there are serious implications for aviation, logistics, and critical infrastructure in the region. Supply chains near the Belarusian border may face disruptions with little warning, and insurers are likely watching this for potential rating changes. Cyber and disinformation threats are expected to spike, so vigilant on digital fronts is key. Bottom line, this wasn't just a military event, it's a geopolitical stress test for the alliance and a warning for businesses operating in the region. The global highlights will continue monitoring Zapad closely as the next pressure point.